Alright, so this is my first video on YouTube and it's going to be about my first exercise on Coursera for the machine learning class. So yep, this is it. So this is all the code. So this code is written for linear regression. So I'll just tell you what it is. So here's our data. The data is for, say, it's a problem statement who said that you have a food truck and you have to predict how much the profit increases as the population increases. So this is how our data looks. So this is our current data, this is the data set, and these are the values. So you can see that it's sort of increasing linearly. So you can say that where the population is, sort of say around 6-7,000, the profit is around $5,000. And yep, and as you go ahead, so like as the population of the place where your food truck is increases, your profit also increases. So that is that. And so this is just the data set, there's no machine learning happening here. And let me just run the code ahead. So yeah, the expected theta value was minus 3.6303, and that's approximately what I've got here. So my theta is correct. Theta is basically the parameter that gradient descent is minimizing. So let me show you the graph. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it is a linear graph that it plotted. So what the algorithm did was it sort of plotted the hypothesis line, and then it measured the errors between the line and the points, and it sort of minimized the errors using gradient descent, and then it plotted the line that is the best fit. So now what you can do is, if you want to know, say, what's my expected profit if I place my food truck in an area which is approximately 17,000, you can easily correlate it up atop, and you can say that it's around, say, 15 or $17,000. So yeah, that was linear regression, and I think it plots the contour plot as well. Just a second. Yep. Yeah. Yep. So this is the contour plot, and this is, sorry, yep, this is the cost as it is decreasing. You can see that the cost was first high and then it became low. This is, so basically this one is a 3D graph, and it's sort of difficult to visualize a 3D graph. So this is called a contour plot. So how the thetas have decreased over time. So sort of it was first here and then it became, so this is our final value of theta right here. Okay, which was, as you saw it was somewhere in the minus 3.6, I guess. So yeah, that's theta. It's -0, -5, and it's sort of close to 5, so it's minus 3.6, and this is the 1.66. So that's your contour plot for the thetas. So yeah, that is about it for linear regression, and that's all I have to say. There's nothing more that I have to show. And this was just a random video about a dude who's doing a Coursera ML class. I don't know where I'm going to take this channel. Maybe it becomes a sort of a machine learning tutorials channel. Maybe I just show what I'm doing in my machine learning life. I mean, that's sort of the life I have. But anyway, that's a topic for another video. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you love this video, make sure you surprise. What am I saying? Okay, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want, because I'm probably thinking that I'll upload a video a week. So yeah, I don't expect anyone to subscribe after watching this video. Anyway, I don't know what has happened to my tongue. Bye. Thanks for watching.